Hi everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Today I'm going to do an easy salad, Caprese salad. I will start with the tomatoes. I have here 2 Roma tomatoes. I have mozzarella cheese and I have basil, fresh basil as you see, salt, oregano, olive oil. So I'm going to use this plate here. I already spread my basil and I'm going to add some salt and some oregano on my tomato, and I will start taking slices here. It's supposed to look like the Italian flag, so you see we have the 3 colors, the green, the red, and the white. Green, red, white, and keep the pattern. Then in the middle, I'm going to add some more. Then I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on top. Some extra oregano, just for garnish. And my salad is ready. It's very easy. I hope you liked my episode today. I hope you can try it and enjoy it, and let me know in the comments below how it goes. See you next time.